Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wonderful people. Welcome to a Bunifu kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing a very delicious banana jam, and it's such a simple recipe that only requires 3 major ingredients and takes about 8 to 10 minutes to make. So let's get started. First things first, we get our bananas prepped. I chopped mine into smaller pieces. You can go ahead and mash yours if you do not mind a lumpy consistency, but I prefer a smoother one, so I went ahead and pureed mine. Then once that is ready, set it aside and add about 3/4 cup of water and a cup of sugar into a pan or pot and bring that to a boil. As you boil that, ensure that you mix it properly so that the sugar dissolves nicely into the water. Then once it has boiled, add your banana puree or mashed bananas into the mixture and keep stirring. The one thing about this recipe is that you have to keep monitoring it, because if you do not, it will stick to your pan or get burnt. We do not want that. So go ahead and add some cinnamon or vanilla if you want to. This is an optional step, you do not have to. You can also add food coloring of your choice if you do not like the natural color. I personally do not mind it. And then this is also what it will look like 4 minutes in. It's a bit runny, but we want it to be jelly like. So we keep stirring patiently and nicely, and this is what it looks like 8 minutes down the line. It's jelly like, just the way we want it. And so we can set it aside for it to cool, and as we wait for it to cool, then we can go ahead and sterilize our jars. And once everything is cool and nice, just put your banana jam into the jars, and there you have it. So you can use this on your bread or pancake or any other way that you like to have your jam. It's very amazing. You would think that this would be too sweet, but actually it's not. It has the right kind of sweetness. It's not too sweet, it is not overpowering, it's just the right kind. And I hope you get to try it and let me know how it goes. And until next time, kwaheri.